Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're calling another phone's voicemail right now. First, confirm you have the mailbox number and PIN. Dial the carrier's direct voicemail access or call the target number and press the voicemail key. This initiates the login. If prompted, enter the phone number of the mailbox followed by the PIN. This proves you're authorized. Once entered, listen for the mailbox greeting and menu prompts so you can navigate to new messages. Once logged in, make choices using the prompts to find new messages. Typically press 1 for new messages, but listen because carriers vary. Use keypad shortcuts to play, pause, save, or delete. For example, one key often replays and another deletes. If audio is faint, switch to speakerphone and increase device volume. This helps you catch timestamps and caller details. Make sure to mark important messages saved before exiting so they aren't auto-deleted. To finish, exit the menu and hang up or select the logout option to lock the mailbox. This prevents unauthorized access. If the PIN is rejected, pause and use the carrier's reset process or account portal to restore access, because repeated failures can lock the account. If you encounter unexpected prompts or no access, contact carrier support or use the phone's visual voicemail app as an alternative. It often shows messages without dial-in complexity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.